Hello, Mr. Price here, and this is your video on how to do the mixed grade 1 questions for your PLT number 4. Okay, let's go right down to it. So I've got some algebra here, and I need to simplify this using correct algebraic notation. Okay, now in maths we're really lazy with the algebra. We don't bother with the multiplication sign. We instead put the number first, 5, and then the letter r, and that just means 5 multiplied by r. Okay, with division, the divide sign looks like a fraction. Okay, so you write it as a fraction. The first thing to the left of the division is the number on the top, so in this case c, fraction sign. The one to the right of the division sign goes underneath, 4. So this is written as c over 4. Okay, now if you add the same number a number of times, it's the same as multiplying by that number. So this is x added together 4 times, so that's the same as 4 lots of x. So I can write that as 4 lots of x, or 4 times x, and you don't bother with the multiplication sign, so that's just going to be 4x, like this. Okay, and then finally this one, if you want to multiply 1 by e, now you might think that it is 1e like this, but because multiplying by 1 doesn't matter, we don't need it, and it's just e, like so. Okay, let's look at these ones here. So, for all of these questions, I'm going to let a be the number I'm thinking of. So, be the number I'm thinking of. Okay. So every time I put an a, that's the number I'm thinking of. So here, I think of a number, a, and I multiply it by 4. So I think of a number a, I multiply it by 4, it looks like that, and then you don't put a multiplication sign in, so you put the number first 4, and then the letter a. Okay, for b, I think of a number, a, I multiply it by 6, and then I add 5 in that order. So I don't write the a times 6, I just write 6a, and then I add 5. Okay, finally I think of a number, triple it, and then subtract 7. So I think of a number, a, I triple it, or multiply by 3, and then I subtract 7. Okay, and then I rewrite that as 3a, 3 times a, subtract 7. Okay, for these ones I need the special names and the reason why. So I'm going to do this one on a separate piece of paper, so there's plenty of space for you to see. So for that first one, this is a parallelogram. Okay, and it's a parallelogram because it has 4 sides. And it has 2 pairs of parallel lines. I'm just going to shorten the parallel to just P, so P lines. Don't do that in your books though. It's 2 pairs of parallel lines. Okay. Now, the next one. Okay, here. Now these little lines on the side here mean they're the same length. So, just adjusting my camera a little bit. So this one is a rhombus. Okay, and it's a rhombus because it has 4 sides. It has all equal sides. Okay, and that's why that's a rhombus. Okay, for number C, this one is a trapezium. And it's a trapezium because it has 4 sides. And it has 1 pair of parallel lines. And that's it. Okay, and finally part D, it's a kite. And that is a kite because it has 4 sides. It has 2 pairs of equal sides. These and those. And it's also the opposite angles are equal. Okay, and that's all you need to do for these questions. If you have any questions, just come and see me in school.